Shillong Commerce College mintagasngi kalapli ke jingrakhe dap nripo Snem hakaba ke MLA ke East Shillong ka kong amperin lingdo kalapin kiu ya kalama jangka college kum kadak panpli ya ke jingrakhe ya ke Shillong Commerce College la seng house Snem sha ja khandai spa nripunyo pat ha ke jingya jang kapor wat lada ki dan ki jinge henrei khlam da kan ran dien minta ke ni ke shlam ai jingnang jing sta diki khon samla kala kynjoh ya Mawmer ba nripo Kakong Amperin kum kakong San Marsin Poi la senran deki NCC jangka college ban kentiu ya kalama jangka college ban play ya ke jingrakhe da ban riu Snem ya ke jingrakhe la penlong ha auditorium jangka college ha ke jing sakhi lang ginong sha khat snobha kabala sakhi lang deki kemeki kpa bar kumju ki samla pule ke ni ka college badru kinong hikai lambat kinong trei ke ni ka shlam ai jing hikai Nakaliang u Vice Principal u Bedairu u Head ka Commerce Department u BR Upadhyaya ula keran lingkat syapanga history jangka college.
Year-long Diamond Jubilee celebration. Today is not just another date on the calendar. Today we step across a historic threshold as we gather here to officially inaugurate the year-long Diamond Jubilee celebration of Shillong Commerce College. I could see there 60 years of resilience, 60 years of academic nurturing, and 60 years of transforming young minds into the leaders of tomorrow. To understand the weight of this diamond we wear today, we must look back at the rough terrain from which it was mined. The story of Shillong Commerce College is a masterclass in perseverance. Our journey began in June 1964 under the humble banner of Commerce College Shillong, operating initially as a purely private venture on GS Road. It was born out of a critical necessity to provide focused, quality commerce education to the youth of a rapidly developing hill region. The move to Rajmundra in 1967. In May 1967, the college shifted to this very location, building its roots, offering hope to many who walk through its doors. History tests the strongest institutions, and Commerce College has really, stood the test of time. Due to administrative challenges, the college faced a painful closure in 1977. But the spirit of education cannot be silenced for long. Recognizing its immense value to the state, the government of Meghalaya stepped in via a legislative act in 1984.
Shillong College, the neighbor of Shillong Commerce College. And believe me when I tell you, those memories that I have of my friends from this college are very, very vivid till today. It is true what Sir Upadhyaya said. This college was like a shell. And so much Shillong College. But let me tell you, once again, remind these young kids in this auditorium particularly, you must have faith in your government. Your government has handheld these institutions to make them what they are. Down the lane, you have the PGT. Again, another shed when we were growing up. But today, these are institutions of repute. Focusing again on Shillong Commerce College. My late father, Peter Marvanyang, and my late brother, Archie have a very special place for Shillong Commerce College in their hearts. They did what they could to influence government policy and planning, to also include the campus of Shillong Commerce in its future growth. Dear faculty, past and present, we are so grateful that your tireless dedication to uplift education to make it accessible to all is something which government can never be grateful enough. We will create. Government come, government goes. But institutions live the test of time. This is one perfect example of 60 years of journey. Most people at the age of 60 would have to retire compulsorily. But this institution and its gates continue to beckon all citizens who yearn for the acquisition of knowledge. Dear young friends, knowledge gives you skills. Knowledge gives you tools. Knowledge makes you motivated. Not to condemn your government, not to condemn and find fault at your teachers or your institution. I wish to live and see that day when all the hard work, the toiling, the nightless sleeps that all of these people sitting in front of us and those that have retired have dedicated for all of you. I am very delighted to hear that this institution has started the master's program in commerce studies. You have to catch up with the world. I'm grateful particularly to the staff who likely still are not receiving their dues. The teachers, I'm told, and I have been briefed, that there are about 80 plus faculty in this institution. I really don't know how many of you are actually getting salaries which are up to your qualification. But let me tell you, we are grateful that your families, that you yourselves have taken upon your shoulders to pursue and continue the pursuit of education. At my age, let me remind you, I still haven't given up hope on the acquisition of knowledge. I have recently enrolled myself in the London School of Economics to engage on a project called Urban 95. And this project primarily focuses on educating the educated to take this world forward. In the LSE, we don't talk just about India, we talk about the world. Today, the world is thinking ahead of you and me. We are the underprivileged of the third world nations.